Hi, we're Team 24 from UCL, and our project title is Avocado Review Analysis. The background of our project is that, what if you have a lot of unhelpful or bad reviews on your shopping website? Of course, you will want to identify them and somehow deal with them. But what if you have a million of those reviews? It's simply too expensive to do it manually, so using machine learning algorithms to find them automatically would be a much better idea. Thus, our key requirements are we need to use natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to do review analysis. And we need to do a lot of experiments and find out the best algorithms in our case. And of course, the algorithms need to predict the rating and helpfulness based on review text. And we need to record our experiments so that Ocado staff can develop their own research based on our results. This is our system architecture diagram. As you can see from here, it's very simple design. We simply have a class called Review Analyzer, which can use review data to train the best machine learning model we've found through experiments. It can store them into local file and read them later, so models don't need to be trained every time. Then user can simply pass in a list of review text, and the Review Analyzer will return the expected rating and helpfulness. About technologies, we used Python, which is our main programming language for this project. And we also used a lot of Python libraries for machine learning, such as scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and Keras. And as for our experiments, we recorded all of our experiments in Jupyter Notebook. So about the key features for Jupyter Notebooks. Before implementing the module, we need to find out what NLP and ML algorithms are the best. So we carry out a lot of experiments on Jupyter Notebooks, which nicely record the code and results of our experiments. In total, we experimented with 3 NLP and 5 machine learning techniques. We used some advanced evaluation methods to assess their performance in a fair way. And in the end, we did a summary and compared all the models to find the best one. So basically, as you can see here, this is our notebook. It's based on a website. And we have all the code here. We looked into the data insights. And we have a lot of comments of our experiments to make sure that people understand what we're doing. And we have those nice plots and comparison between different hyperparameters. And in the end, we have this a table for final comparison. Yeah, there it is. So we have this model that includes all the different machine learning models, and we also did comparison. Like we also try to make our own conclusion out of it. And about our key features for Python module. So basically, we implemented a standalone Python module that makes this use of the machine learning models. And it uses unigram, bigram, and neural network to do star rating predictions. It is able to read review data from a CSV file or from input, and use those data to train neural network model. After training, it can store the model data into specified location and import them later, so you don't need to train models every time you want to use it. And of course, it is able to return a list of expected ratings and helpfulness when given written text. As you can see here, it's basically, I'm just demonstrating it here from a terminal. So basically, you just need to first open up Python and then import the module. And the Python module includes a class called Review Analyzer, and you can just create an instance of it. And right now, because I've already got the trained machine learning models, so it just reads all the data from it, so you don't need to train again. You can just do you can just predict star rating right now. As you can see here, if I put in this is not good, then the expected star rating is 1, which is sensible. And I'm not gonna demonstrate you how to train models here because it's gonna take too long. And about our achievements. So in this project, we managed to produce a Python module that can be used directly in Ocado to identify those unhelpful reviews on their website. Or maybe they can use this library to find the reviews that don't have a matching rating. We also have a lot of well-organized research materials and experiment records that can help Ocado staff to understand machine learning better. So basically, those are the plots that I got from our research notebook. It basically shows, for example, how much epochs you need for a neural network, and whether you should apply this hyperparameter called no max feature or not. And that's basically our project. Thank you very much.